friends, neighbors, big foreign dignitaries. Which one do you want to drive, guys? The Mercedes Benz, the Ram Longhorn. What a machine, friends. Look at this stuff. 18450 wholesale, just came out. Has some miles on it, but very clean, leather loaded. Let's take a look at this just before we take a ride in that one owner Mercedes GLA. Look at that Longhorn, guys. Look at the beautiful leather interior on these things. You're gonna feel like you're at Yellowstone in this bad boy, guys. It's got everything. I'm looking for the kitchen sink, friends. I'm looking, it's gotta be here. 18450. 153, it's got the Ram boxes. 153K on that truck. Runs beautiful, got the adjustable suspension and whatnot. But we're gonna go for a ride in the Mercedes Benz. Look at that, friends. This is the one owner. Oh, here we go. Let's fire this thing up if I can figure it out. One owner, guys. Look at this thing. What a beautiful, look at that full panoramic sunroof, guys. Let's get this bad boy in reverse. Nice backup cam with the swivel. Look at that, friends. We're live. You're with Woody. We're on a walkabout, and we are Wacky Wednesday deals. We're driving in the Mercedes. We'll take another look at this in just a moment. But what a beautiful car. $25,990 on this gorgeous machine. Call Woody today. If you do decide to show up, where's Woody? I have a lot of people that watch the videos. A lot of people come in. They're like, hey, you're that guy. Yes. Where's Woody? I'm working up with the fonts on here because I'm using a different phone. I'm having malfunctions with my other one, but we'll get that thing fixed up. There's that one owner, Prentice and Carlisle truck. I don't know the deets on that yet, but like I said, if you see anything on the Woody Walkabout, dial that hotline right down there in the descriptions, 944-6714. You'll hear me repeat it a few times, friends. We got all sorts of stuff coming out here. Low mileage Subies like that 50,000 mile Subaru. Or how about that 22 Hyundai Santa Fe, the Kona. We're getting cars left and right, guys. How about a 40,000 mile Honda HR-V right there, guys. Look at that beautiful little machine. Or if you want a leather loaded, decked out Subaru Impreza for like 17 and change, how about that little gorgeous little machine right there? Guys, the deals are coming in left and right. There's another Subaru over there, 20. Man, my lips can't move as fast as I want to go. There's that Lincoln I took up to Holton, guys. What a ride that is. If you want a nice looking machine that just is a pleasure to drive. I mean, I'm not a big Lincoln guy, but after driving that thing down up to Holton and back, what a phenomenal little ride that was. Wow. Jeeps right there, friends. Oh, we have a live one down here, guys. Well, I might have to bail out here in a second. Look at the Toyota Tundras coming out. There's that one for $27,990. We got Suburbanators out here, Tahoes. One of our place it with friends, a Yukon, Tacoma, another Tacoma. We might have a live one down here, guys, as you see us. Right there, guys. I might have to bail here. If I do, I'm gonna shut this down. We'll continue. We'll reconvene in a moment. But we're getting all sorts of, look at that. Oh, that King Ranch is sort of like that big Longhorn truck down there, friends. Look at that. We might have somebody out here looking at it. They're just down here just checking things out. He's on the phone. Another Sierra AT4, guys. Sexy beast. Toyota Tundra. Let's get around the middle. Let's see what new has come in here on Cars by Us. 361 Griffin Roads. You're going to like some of the stuff out here, friends. Now, this is the auction line. This is the stuff that we pre-qualify and we say, no, scrub it. One that's kind of keeping me, it's interesting right here, kind of, look at this BMW, 2009. You could eat off it, friends. We're going to take it to auction. We never looked at it for an inspection. Beside it is the big Duramax diesel Denali. I'm not even sure what year that is. That just came in. What a machine. Obviously, it's got some lift action, black beauty. I'm kind of excited about it, as well as I've had a lot of inquiries on this bad boy, that other Duramax diesel right there, guys. How's that one? That's a 19 or 20 right there, guys. We got the GMC half-ton sitting beside it. More Jeeps, guys. If you see anything again on the Woody Walkabout, or you decide to come in, check stuff out, say, hey, where's Woody? I'm right here. We'll take care of you guys. We'll give you deals. We've been busting them out left and right. Get the referrals. Another biggie is referrals. Get that referral from your friends. Look at that. That's got a new sticker. I don't know if that is actually inspected. This one is Palisade. White beauty with black interior. Good looking machine. Some of these other ones are, I got to get this one in for a customer right there. I've been trying. All serviced up. That 19 Camry. Rubicon. The Ruby Rubicon is all inspected, ready to go. A couple of the new arrivals. Guys, a beautiful 20,000 mile Equinox. You better jump on that before our other sister stores jump on that. Transit Connect for your business solutions right there. $17,990, $89K. All ready, all inspected, ready to go, guys. Nice little work van, delivery van, another Camry. I believe that's getting all inspected. Mitsubishi going to the auction. #1 customer, I have not heard. He must be in Florida. Ram, another Silverado, Sonic, I think it is, maybe. Another Chevy, another Ram, another GMC. Guys, we're getting good looking stuff out here. I think this one might be 2-wheel drive. Hope the sun's not killing you right there. It's a little Kia Optima. It's killing me right now. A little Elantra for some runaround cars. The old WRT Rextra alert right there, friends. I think that's a 15. Look at that. Let's get out. Take a quick peek at the T-Rextra. I know you want to look at it. Not to mention we get some other good-looking machines out here. Look at the T-Rextra, the super hood scoop on it. All factory, guys. Bone stock. Look at this. I don't know if that's bone stock. I think this is aftermarket right here for the T-Rextra. What do you think? It's a good-looking spoiler, friends. So whoever... But it's got the little one. Maybe that is all factory. I don't know. Maybe not. Good-looking T-Rextra right there, guys. I don't think the mileage is... It's a Grand Theft Auto car right here, guys. It's in trouble. Look at that Mercedes right there. 2021, friends. $25,991. Owner, white, black interior, clean as a button. I mean, inside and out. You got another late model Yukon. Right there, little Traverse. Little 50,000 mile Toyota I just took a trade. Another Traverse. I think that's headed for the auction. Highlander has this. Ram, Chevy, Ram. Dodge Durango over there, alert. And there's a 6.2 Trail Boss over there, friends. You got it. Let's get this Mercedes going down the road, friends. What a wow. You want to live a lap of luxury? Call Woody today, 944-6714. More Chevys, more Rams. Take a quick peek at the updated wholesale lot. We did wash some of the stuff out of there. Some other stuff is still here. Another base model Impreza. Another little Ford Fusion, Toyota Taco, Ram, Colorado, guys. Keep your eyes on that one right there. Nissan Pathfinder and the Maximus, the Nissan Maximus. I used to have one of those, guys. What a little smoke machine. Those things would rip down the road. Now, I don't know how the new ones go, but whoo! The other ones would like to rock and roll. This one right here is another new arrival, and look at the Power Wagon, friends. 2022. I think like 78K, tuned exhaust. What a nice machine. Just came in. It's dirty right now. And guys, I have to mention the one owner, Nissan. If you know anybody looking for one of these beautiful low mileage trucks, I got to show you. I just put it on Marketplace, friends. Okay. Not only do we have the one owner Mercedes Benz, look at that beautiful machine. But here's that Nissan Frontier. Nissan Frontier Crew Cab. Look at this truck, guys. Spray and bed liner. SV. Why pay high new truck prices? If you just want, like, if you're like me, I like the basic. I don't know, always somebody. This truck will last somebody. I mean, as long as you rust proof it and undercoat it, but it'll last you forever. But you gotta want to drive a stick, guys. Standard shift. And this truck, I kid you not, has not. This is no joke. We're not kidding around here. It's all inspected, ready to go. $22,990, and that thing has not broken 30,000 miles, guys. That's right. I know people are gonna watch my ads there because sometimes I do get a typo. It's not a typo. It's 29 and change on the odometer. I think it belonged to a real estate company. I haven't done the research, but there's an ERA Dawson Bradford hat in the back. Now that could be just a fluke. Could be something that works for them. Could be, I don't know. There's that Ram right there, guys. 18450. That truck goes good, it's clean. And that was that one I was showing you a few videos back. Good, it's knee deep in rubber. That's the slang for brand new tires and car talk, guys. But anyways, here's another one. A little 6-speed manual shift 2012 Honda Civic Si. Then we have some other ones. Geez, it was so nice today. I should have got some prices on the windows, which were overdue, but the weather just has not been permitting. Boom shakalaka. Then I had another girl. She got on board. Look at this Mitsubishi. Fuso Mitsubishi. It's not 12450. It's 11450 now, guys. And here's that low mileage Corolla. I gave the check back to the institution that was helping somebody buy that thing. And I did have it sold, friends. And then some people say, well, why didn't you sell it? What was wrong with it? There was nothing wrong, but the person that was buying it didn't have a license, nor could they get a license, nor could they get a car. You know, there were some medical things there, and we didn't want to get into the medical things, but there were some medical things there, and that's why they didn't take it. And I'm like, don't skin off my back. They thought I was going to be mad. I'm like, we're here to, you know, solve a problem, not get you into a problem, friends. But anyways, I want to say thanks for joining the Woody Walkabout. It's been a nice day here, getting a lot of groundwork done. Some nice Subies behind me, $99.50 on that beautiful limited Legacy Outback wagon, $88K on the old Jeepster. The old Ford Explorer right there, guys. We have a couple more of these Subarus right here for like $12,450 right there. And the Jeep Wrangler, modified, simplified, $19,450. 2016, 80 and change on it right there, guys. But anyways, call the Woody hotline, Woody Walkabout hotline, 944-6714. If you see any of these things, if you want to come in, check out the Mercedes, take it for a ride. You might want to see it in your driveway, guys. We have good wholesale trucks, guys. We are struggling. One of the biggest things that we get, I mean, you wouldn't believe how many phone calls every day for folks looking for a $10,000 truck, and they are like hen's teeth, friends. I mean, you might find some out there on the side of the road. Who knows what the inspection guy was, or who, you know, we go through them quite complete. Some people get afraid of our wholesale cars. They think that, you know, we're just slide things through, or there's something major wrong with them. They're not. Some of these credit unions and banks sometimes don't want to finance some of these wholesale cars, which makes me scratch my head, because these are, you know, some cars are failed for inspection for stupid reasons. And I think a lot of banks and credit unions don't understand what as is really means. It is not what a lot of banks are afraid of, gray market titles, like rebuilt salvage titles. They won't finance those. I can see that. But as is cars, I mean, if you lived in Texas, there are no inspections. If you buy them from somebody on the side of the road, it's as is, the same way as a dealer selling it. So anyways, don't be afraid of some of these. Like this truck right here might take an inspection sticker on it, friends. Let me shut the old one-owner Mercedes Benz down. Look at this machine. Let me flip this around again. Like this right here, it passed. I mean, the tires passed. If you give it what I call the old gas station inspection, e-brake, lights, horn, check, this thing will pass. But some of the other stuff is, it may not pass. I mean, I don't have the list right here in front of me, but call me today, 944-6714. But what a gorgeous truck this thing is. It's got the adjustable suspension on it. I mean, off-road too. We got more stuff coming out, friends. We get some of these company trucks. Like that beautiful. This is like a 20, friends. An RST race machine that they used in the woods. Now these guys take care of their stuff a little bit more than they used to. But here you go, guys. Look at this little race rocket. Oh boy, let's fire it up. Holy hell. So we got a 2020 tailgate handle, tranny cooler lines. They fail a lot of trucks for those, and it may not pass. I mean, it may pass somewhere else. Both lower control arms, that's because of the ball joints, a lot of mud in the rims and balance. So that necessarily wouldn't fail anywhere else. A lot of mud in the rims, I don't think is a failure thing. But you probably want to get a tire balance on it, number one, because they use this off-road. Wipers, $130,000. Yeah, the stuff that they failed it for, guys, is nothing significant. We got a check engine light, which we will scan for you. But other than that, not a bad looking little truck. Pretty clean, actually. This is the, oh yeah, listen to that. 5.3 hot rod. Anyways, you're with Woody. Again, you're on Woody Walkabout. If you have any questions, concerns, give me a shout. Call me today. Don't be afraid. 944-6714. We are stress-free. Read the Google reviews. And if you bought something and you're happy, go on there and do one. If you're happy, mention my name. Anyways, guys, it's Woody. We'll talk to you soon. You're on a walkabout. I hope to see you soon. And if you do show up, where's Woody?